What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready to try to do our 15-16 Black Diamond case break tonight. Hell of a break. Great product. Haven't done it in a while, so I thought it would get some attention, but we're struggling here. Going to try to fill it with minis, I guess. It is 701, and here's your list. We got Clay down to Clay. Top 3 names after 4, folks. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3. 701. 701 it is. Last and final, you're going to be looking for the top 3 names here. Top 2 get 2 each. Third name gets 1. There you have it. Stefan and Clay both taking home 2 spots each, and Ryan is taking home 1. Let me grab your 4th and final timestamp. 4th and final timestamp says 701, and 701 it is. So Stefan and Clay, I'll tag you guys in order to make your picks. Ryan, you're getting 1 pick as well. We'll see you for some more minis, and good luck in the break tonight, guys.